Okay, third graders. So now our next literacy skill that we're really going to focus on during this lesson is going to be compare and contrast. So why you listen to me read or you read on your own, you are going to look for the similarities and the differences between the two characters. So you're going to be able to compare and contrast the characters Grace and the character Catherine from Below Deck. So I just want to give you a few little tips and show you a few of the resources that you will be able to find within this lesson. So this is the first resource that you will come to. It will have a bunch of different anchor charts for you to use if you get stuck on comparing and contrasting. But remember, you're just looking for clues to indicate what is similar about that person and what is different about that person. Some clues that you can use. So if you go down to the next slideshow of the next anchor chart, it gives you some words that you can use. And then just also shows you an example of how to compare and contrast using a Venn diagram. This is all I really want to talk about compare and contrast. I feel very, very confident in your skills that you guys are going to do an excellent job on comparing and contrasting the characters. On the next few slides, there's going to be different activities, and then there's going to be a vocabulary about comparing and contrasting things in a story. So please make sure you're listening carefully to help you identify and be able to give you tools and the skills that you will need to compare and contrast the two characters from our story. All right, third graders, good luck and keep up the hard work.